going to Longwood Garden.
Good morning ka muna.
Hindi naman alam kung good morning.
Good morning, good evening ka mo.
Ito kasama namin si Elaine at si Xavier. Ayan, pupunta kami ng Longwood Garden.
Saan ba yung Longwood Garden na yun?
Pennsylvania. Yay.
Ilang hours ba?
Yeah. Si-celebrate namin birthday ni Lanaya. Oh, we're heading to Wood.
Anong wood? Woodlong.
Longwood. We are entering the Longwood Gardens. Park.
Hindi ko makita.
Hello?
Ala pa, hindi na pa napindot.
Hello? I know you see us. You're already...
Mag-warm up muna kayo para sa paglalakad. Hi. Good morning. Mom, Dad. Hi.
Sasakay kami ng kalabaw.
Mommy, say something. Mommy, say something.
Andito kami ngayon sa
Englishin mo naman
English.
We are in Pennsylvania, Longwood Garden.
Oh, hello guys.
Nawala, ano?
Nawala.
Ano, maglalakad lang ba tayo o sasakay ng kalabaw? Ha?
Yay! Okay, ready?
Hello, we're in Pennsylvania, Longwood Gardens, one of the world's largest botanical garden. And not just here in the United States, but in the whole world. So here's Elaine and Lanaya, the birthday girl. Lanaya.
Hi, birthday girl. Hello.
Hi. Look at the view. Don't be afraid, Lanaya. Are you thirsty, Lanaya? You want a drink?
You want some drink?
Here? You want a drink here?
You want some drink? Joking.
Kidding. Bees, run!
Ganda ng mga
Ano nang maganda?
yung mga background, ayun, no?
Sino ang panday?
Mukha nga ni Panday, ano? Where's the dinosaur?
The bee wake up. The bee will wake up.
Wala tayong mga papasyalan.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's walk.
Open your mouth. Dito, tumingin ka dito. Kailangan nakatapat yung bibig mo dito ng TV. Magbubukas ka ng TV.
Ayan. Tan. Wah.
view dito, napakaganda. Dito sa Longwood Garden. Look at that. So beautiful. Mainit ba?
Kaya pala na nandito yung mga tao para nakikita view.
Opo. What can you say, Mami?
Ito maganda dito, oh. Tamo. Ano kaya ito papasukin na to?
We'll see you later.
See.
Yung pwesto natin kanina, dapat yung unang pinuntahan natin. Yung unang-una. Ay. Meron pa pala yung nakikita dito. Oy!
Go there. I'll take a picture of you there.
Take a video of me.
Okay. Okay. Go together. Okay. Smile. Hold on. Don't move yet. Hold your brother's hand. Okay. Hug your ate. Hug your ate. Okay. Smile. Wow.
Video. Video. Video.
It is. Okay. One more. One more. Last.
Ay, 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 ay.
Elephant Share. That's the name of the plant. Yeah.
Ganda ng mga flowers. Na? Ayan, no?
Anong what flower is that or what plant is that?
Yung ano, parang bandera Espanyol.
What do you call that? Bandera de Español. At tinaw yun. Ano may design ng bathroom nila? Hindi maalat ang bathroom. Siyempre, hindi mawawala si Casimir dyan sa bathroom. Nakakita ng bathroom. Pero ang design niya bathroom, ang ganda. Ibang klase garden na ito, puro bulaklak na. Ang ganda.
Pang ano talaga, pang senior at saka pang baby. Maraming baby. Palabas na tayo ngayon.
Parang umikot lang tayo.
A few moments later.
Yeah, toast daw.
Ay, toast.
Sa video ni Mami.
Napagod na.
Halika. Are you tired? Oras na ng tulog niyan eh.
But thank you.
Let's go.
You okay?
Lead the way.
Okay? Okay?
Let me see that.
Here. Dito po. Ayan, parang nasa gilid lang ng sumakab sa tumana.
Alam ko, andun pa kayo sa likuran na.
Hindi, sinalubong namin kayo.
Saan kayo nagdaan dyan?
Yun. Hawak ko ang beat sa bawat galaw mo ko'y mabigha. Hawak ko ang beat. Pumpkin?
Tayo mga. Hindi rin gusto. Thank you mga ka-senior. I hope you enjoy my video. And please,
Don't forget to like, share,
and subscribe. And click the notification bell para laging updated sa aking mga video. I love you.